Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream or breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
What's up, vlog people? It's your gal Sheamber back on the YouTube channel. I'm actually starting this vlog out right, and I'm starting it off a little early, so it's gonna be a pretty long vlog. I know last vlog was like 8 minutes. I was just trying to get content out and get y'all, you know, what you really want, you know, a vlog every Wednesday. And so I had it out, but I'm back with the longer vlogs. I just haven't really gone out lately. I've been chilling. My birthday was lit, so I kind of like chilled out for the whole month of June, for like the whole last 3 weeks. But I'm gonna be doing some things coming up this weekend. Today's actually Thursday, so if you are new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, my love. So I am chilling on a balcony right now, and it's 5:08. I clocked out of work about 30 minutes ago, and so I'm just chilling. As you can see, I look real, like my hair is, y'all, I look crazy. Okay, I look at this. I just want to just zoom in and look at this. I look so bad, right? Like, look at this. I'm just showing you guys this because I really thought I could last. You know, I can still last, but these in the front are like coming out. And so this whole vlog, you can already tell by the title, I'm getting my locks retwisted. So the first part of this vlog is me getting my hair retwisted. I have to go to the hair store to get 4 packs of like the curly part that goes around the lock. So I'm going by there after work. Well, it is after work. I'm gonna be leaving in a couple of minutes, so I'm definitely gonna be showing you guys where I'm going. I'm getting these done, y'all. I look real crusty, dusty, all the above. Like, I really thought I could last until the end of July and then get them retwisted, but I guess my hair grows pretty fast because this is not acceptable. This is not okay. And I tried, you know, doing the edges, and it's just not giving anymore. It's really not. So I will catch you guys when I get to the hair store. I know the intro is pretty long, but I'll see you guys when I get to the hair store. Alright, before I leave, I want to show you guys my outfit of the day, my OOTD. And I put a hat on because, you know, I don't want anybody seeing me looking crazy in the hair store, okay? I care how I look. Sometimes it depends. But yeah, this hat I have here, if it focuses, I don't think you can even see it right. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this hat that I have, there we go. This hat that I have came from Shein. It came in multiple colors, but I got the lighter version. They do have a darker version as well, but this one came in a light version, so I got this one. And the shirt here is actually, it opens and you can tie it how you want. And I got this from Shein. I'm a Shein gal, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But then the pants also came from Shein. Honestly, I'm Sheined out. I'm decked out today. So my shoes are also from Shein, and they're black. I'll show you. I don't wear shoes in the house, so I'll show you guys that when I'm walking out. And then yeah, the shorts came from Shein. They're not the same color as the hat, but denim and denim go together to me. So yeah, but just want to show you my little outfit of the day. So I'll see you guys when I get to the hair store. I'm here at this hair because I need to find the 24-inch in the curl here. Just don't know where the 24-inch is, but I'm looking. But y'all, this is so nice. And they have like a little thing here where it like slides to them, like the hair grabs it for them. Super fancy. I think I'm gonna start coming here for sure to get my hair. And they playing a good song. Blessed to be loved. Y'all, this is my So guys, I got my packs. I got 4. Actually, I got 5. Just to be safe. She said 4, but I always get an extra pack for the hairstyle. So now it's time to go and get out of here. Called Hope Beauty, and it's very nice. Honestly, I didn't know we had a hair store where I lived, so it's kind of cool. I usually drive to Gastonia, and I'm like, okay, I think I'm gonna try this place out. And I'm happy I did, because everywhere I went to get one, it was all popped down, but I found one.
Drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave, yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would've thought I'd get you?
And now you okay? Remember we had to make this taller last time.
Right.
That's cute. Cool. Okay, so you can just oh yeah, you already looking cute. Okay, so with this you can just like turn around, bring it to the front, like stuff like that.
All right, cool.
You could do it like this, and it just like, you know what I'm saying?
I kind
Just
of
like
like
locks.
Yeah.
So you can have it like that, and then move it to the side. Like, it's cute.
Oh, you ready?
Okay. Move. Ready? Go. Okay.
Oh, look at this butt. Ooh, you finna be cute. We can do 2 poses.
Talk to me, boy. Talk to me, boy. Hurry up, it's taking too long. Talk to me, boy.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Sheamber. I'm here with my gal Chantel. She's here, and we're here at the, it's called Banfield Pet Hospital. Her dog Jax has to get shots, and so yeah, it's gonna be so sad, but he has to get shots, and so we're out here now about to head in. The appointment is at 2:30, and it's 2 o'clock right now, so we are a little early, a lot early. But today is Saturday and we are out and about. Have some things, a couple things we're gonna be doing. Probably going to get some rolling ice cream. May go out later, but I'm not really sure about that. I'm just kind of debating what I want to do, but I know I have to get groceries, so you may see me doing multiple things in this vlog for today. I'm trying to get some content for y'all. You know, I gotta do that for y'all. But anyway, I'll see you guys when we get inside, but I may not vlog in there because it's a hospital. So I'll see you guys when we get back in the car.
Thought he kind of snuggled. You know, like you're in back there. He's got some stuff down in this ear. We let you. That one. Take a peek.
We are trying to figure out where we're going because we want rolling ice cream, but rolling ice cream is like far from the house. It's like not by the house, and gas is high, so going back and forth is a little high. So should we get ice cream first or food first? Well, it'll be already uploaded before you even answer, but it don't even matter. But we're struggling over here, and Jack's back here in the car. Look, I think he's asleep. He's going to sleep. He got his shots. But I guess we'll see when we get to our destination, wherever that is, because we don't know where we're going. So yeah, and it's now 4 o'clock, and I have not eaten all day. I ate a Pop-Tart, but Chantel ate breakfast. I ate nothing, so I'm getting hangry. No, I'm kidding, but I'm actually hungry, so I'm chilling. I need food. I also don't comfy because my nail is coming off now. But I'll see you guys when we get our food.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too.
We made it to get food. Y'all, I'm starving. Like, so starving. Chantel let me not eat all day.
First of all, that's your fault. Your fault, you didn't eat.
I didn't eat the whole day.
I gave her a Pop-Tart over her over y'all.
A Pop-Tart. A Pop-Tart. Here I'm here on the border. So I may get me a drink, y'all, because it's been a long day. It's been a long day, Chantel. I need a drink. I think I came here last time and I got the yellow one. So I may get that again because this was so good. Super good. So, yeah. So I got me a skinny, I think it's pineapple. And then Chantal got, what kind of this? House. The house. Turn up! Are we gonna do a cheers? Cheers! This is how you get all your money's worth, y'all. You gotta get all of it on the side of the book.
Welcome. Is there anything else I can get for y'all?
That's good.
Extra napkins? I'll get those.
So I got the chimichanga with rice and beans, and then Chantel got, well, she don't like beans, so she got rice and chimichanga. Yes! And then the cheese is almost gone. She got me hooked now. I don't want the white cheese anymore. The yellow is booming. I got beans on my okay. You can see the little crack that I broke. Get the cute. Oh. This is only like a bunch of like bread in here. This is really good though. It's a really good though. Oh yeah, yeah, you, my number one. Hey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey. So now we're in Five Below in the mall. Chantel wants to come here to get her phone case. But look what I see. They have a phone umbrella. How cool is that? I'm gonna end up getting this for the pool. A phone umbrella. Oh, we found the place, guys. And it's Chantel's fault.
Don't say it's my fault because you won't look either.
We could not find it, but literally, she said, I smell popcorn. Popcorn right there, and the place is chill. We found it though, y'all. I'm gonna get my ice cream. So I got my ice cream for scream. And Chantel got a chocolate shake. Cookies and cream. Yes, say bye. Close it out. Close it out. Bye. The little closing. Oh.